Alright, let's say that you wanted to uninstall your old version of zForm and upgrade to a new version. This is pretty simple. You go in the top left under Edit, and then go under Preferences, and then in Add-ons, you'll search for zForm. So I'm going to type in zForm, and you'll see that you have your current version installed. For this one, let's say I have version 2.1.0. Now I just click on Uninstall right here, and click OK. And then close out Preferences, close out Blender entirely, then reopen Blender, go back into Preferences again. Under Add-ons, in the top right, there'll be a little drop-down for Install from Disk. Click on Install from Disk. Then from your local directory where you downloaded the new version, you would just select the new version. In this case, it's zForm 2.3.0. The bottom right, I click on Install from Disk. And that's it. That's how you install a new version. And it should show up in your side panel. Just press an N, and there's zForm.